other places. Newsagents, a shop that sells newspapers, magazines, confectionery, etc. Pet shop, a shop that sells animals to be kept as pets or accessories, food and other things for pets. School, a place where children go to be educated. Internet cafe, a simple cafe in which customers pay to use computers to access the internet. Bakery, a place where bakery items like bread and cakes are made and sold. Toy shop, a shop which sells toys. Sweet shop, a shop that sells sweets and sometimes other things such as cigarettes and newspapers. Shopping center, a big area or complex of many different shops. Greengrocers, a shop that sells food and fresh vegetables. Butchery, a shop that prepares and sells meat and meat products. Supermarket, a large self-service shop that sells foods and household goods. Restaurant, a place where people pay to sit and eat meals that are cooked and served on the premises. Ice rink, an enclosed area of ice for skating, ice hockey or curling. Art gallery, a room or a building for the display or sale of works of art. Football stadium, a large closed area of land with rows of seats around the sides and often with no roof, used for sports events and musical performances. Bowling alley, a building in which you can go bowling. Cinema, a theater where films are shown on a big screen for public entertainment. Library, a building or room containing collections of books, newspapers or films for use or borrowing by the public or the members of an institution. Traffic lights, a set of automatically operated colored lights, typically red, yellow and green, for controlling traffic. Zebra crossing, an area of road painted with white stripes, where vehicles must stop if pedestrians wish to cross.